Are you tired of this joint pain that is keeping you from enjoying your life to the fullest? Whether it is climbing stairs or playing with your kids or just simple walking, joint pain can feel like a constant obstacle. But what if I told you there is a simple natural remedy that can provide instant relief from this joint pain? So stick around because I'm going to share with you my number one natural remedy that is easy to implement and backed by science. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a functional medicine expert. I help people improve their chronic health conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Joint pain is becoming very common these days. A lot of my patients complain of this joint pain and they have been prescribed NSAID as medications to help with this joint pain. Now, NSAID medicine can give you a short-term relief, but when taken on long-term basis, medicines like ibuprofen can damage your liver and your kidneys. So it's better to avoid them. But the bigger question is that what else can you do except for taking medications to improve this joint pain? And that's what I'm going to share with you. One magical remedy that is easy to make at home and is as powerful as taking the NSAID medications. Now, what most people don't know is that the joint pain is caused by inflammation in the body. People have been told oftenly that they have arthritis or their fluid in their joints is low. But both of those conditions happen because there is excessive inflammation in your joints, and that is leading to arthritis and low fluid. And this remedy I'm going to talk about is actually going to the root cause of the problem and is going to lower inflammation and improve your arthritis and your pain also. So now let's talk about this magical remedy. Let me share with you first the ingredients of this remedy, and then I'm going to tell you how you can prepare it at home and what is the best way to consume it. The number one ingredient in this list is turmeric. Turmeric has something called curcumin, which is a very powerful anti-inflammatory substance. Especially this curcumin blocks two enzymes. One is COX-2 enzyme and TNF-alpha enzyme. Now, interestingly, your ibuprofen or NSAID medication also work in similar pathways. So that way, turmeric being a natural substance does the same work as your ibuprofen or NSAID medication, but without any side effects. So that's the reason we are using turmeric in this particular remedy, which will help you in reducing inflammation and joint pain significantly. The second ingredient over here is coconut oil. Why coconut oil? Because coconut oil has MCTs or medium chain triglycerides. These MCTs supports your joint health and also reduce inflammation instantly in your joints. And thereby coconut oil having these MCTs that reduce inflammation in your joints and plus improving absorption of turmeric from your gut help reduce pain in your joints. The third ingredient in this list is ginger. Ginger has powerful antioxidant compound called gingerols. Gingerols block something called prostaglandins. These prostaglandin chemicals are released in your joints and they are responsible for causing this pain. And gingerols blocks these prostaglandins so that you do not get joint pain, and also they reduce inflammation in your joints as well as swelling in your joints too. The last ingredient in this list is black pepper. Black pepper again has anti-inflammatory properties and plus it also enhances the absorption of turmeric from your gut. So you see, these four ingredients are very important and they will give you instant relief from your joint pain. Plus these are science backed. That means all of these four ingredients have shown in different research studies that they have significant impact on your joint health and improve joint pain instantly. Now, how to use all of these four together? So let me share with you this one magical remedy that you can prepare at home. So to make this, you need to boil 1 cup of water and then pour it into a mug. And then after that, you need to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into it and half a teaspoon of ginger powder. If you have fresh ginger, that is even better. And you can use 1 inch of grated ginger into this drink. Next, you sprinkle a pinch of black pepper into this drink. Now, black pepper interestingly increases the absorption of turmeric from your gut by 2000%. So that's the reason it is very important to use over here. And then in the end is where you add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil into it. Make sure you are using only organic virgin coconut oil because that is the oil which has all the anti-inflammatory compounds as well as the MCTs into it. Now stir this mixture and let it sit for 5 minutes so that all the antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds are absorbed into the drink and they work very well together. After that, you can sip this drink very slowly in the next 5 to 10 minutes. Now, what is the best time to consume this drink? The best time is when you have the most pain. Some people will have a lot of pain in their joints as soon as they wake up in the morning. So you can use this drink in the morning to improve your joint pain. Some people will have more joint pain at the end of their day in the evening or the night time. And you can use this drink at that time also. Initially, if you have too much joint pain, you can have this drink twice a day to have instant relief, and after a couple of weeks then you can just drop it down to only once a day also. Along with this drink, if you add omega-3 supplement, that is going to boost your joint health and will even help you to reduce inflammation in your joints and improve your pain instantly. So you see, this remedy is easy to make at home with some easy ingredient, but they're really powerful because they're science backed, and a lot of my patients, when they have combined all of these ingredients and taken together, they have seen significant improvement in their joint pains. Give this remedy a try today itself and see how that improves your joint pain significantly. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you are looking to getting more natural health related tips in the future also. And also share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.